this pointy part here might go up here. You're boring. Oh, let's just pretend. It's just a pretend orange. That's our juice. That's pepper. It's just pretend though. It's just pepper. See, P stands for pepper.
And
that's salt. Salt and pepper. Yeah. Here, let's get a plate for your food. You can put your food on your plate. Here. That could be worth it. Yeah. Okay, Lily. Did you get a little water on your shirt? A little bit? That's okay. Shelf right over here. Good job. Yeah. Let's do this one. Let's start. Here, Lily, we're going to do this one. You want to take that to your spot? That's okay. We can pick them up. If something falls, we can pick it up. No problem. Put this in there. This in there. Here, can you get one? Here, now it's your turn. I'm going to give you the sponge. This one. Yeah, it's empty. Now let's soak up some water. Here, put it in the water. Yep. Now squeeze. Squeeze it over here. Right over here. There you go. That's it. Okay, that's a fun job to do. So soak up some water. Here, let's put it in. Put it in like this. And then here, squeeze, 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 squeeze. So we soak up some more. And squeeze, 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 squeeze. Look, Cameron, it's empty now. Here, can you move the water back? Soak some up. Yeah, this is just water so we can squeeze it out with our sponge. That's it. That's how we use it. Let's soak up some more. Let's put the sponge. There you go. Uh-oh. All this dust just fell out, huh? I'm going to show you a trick we have. We have a special tool. It's called a broom. This is our dustpan and our broom. Here, let's sweep some more in here. We sweep like this. There we go. Yep. And then we pour it in here. That's it. We go like this. Good.